Yesterday, our adoring Generation Z woke the government from deep slumber. Our very audacious Generation Z decided that they are going to make their voices heard. Madam Speaker, I thought of words to be able to salute them on X, but my words failed me. Madam Speaker, I was wondering, since I didn't do them justice on X yesterday, and this is the point at which I want to ask for the attention of every member here, because this generation is our future. And as I thought about what we usually do when the visitors of our speaker seated in the speaker's gallery are accorded, I cannot help to note that the speaker actually beams with happiness whenever we acknowledge her visitors in the speaker's gallery. It is in the same vein. It is in the same vein that I wanted all of us, in saluting what Action Gen Z did yesterday, and noting that, Madam Speaker, that Gen Z actually represent the best of our country, and that yesterday they were only exercising what is very clearly in our Constitution, Article 1.
Yes, you may proceed, because I hear it's your maiden speech. So.
Now, thank you so much. And so in honor of Gen Z action yesterday,